Experiencing a T-Mobile 5G gateway that won't turn on? Let's get it sorted. First, the most common causes: power adapter failure, firmware glitches, or even overheating. Start by visually inspecting the power adapter for damage and ensure it's securely connected to both the gateway and a working wall outlet. Try a different outlet to rule out electrical issues. Next, check the gateway's LED indicators. No lights at all usually points to a power supply problem, while flashing lights might suggest a software issue. If possible, disconnect all other devices connected to the gateway to isolate the problem and ensure the gateway receives full power during troubleshooting. If the basic checks fail, try a hard reset. Hold the reset button, usually located on the back or bottom of the gateway, for 10 to 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, use the My T-Mobile app or web portal to check for available firmware updates. Outdated firmware can prevent the gateway from booting. Also, ensure the gateway has adequate ventilation to prevent overheating. If you're in a rural area, inconsistent 5G signals might cause the gateway to enter a low power mode. Try repositioning the device near a window. If problems persist, it's time to contact T-Mobile support at 1-800-937-8997. They can provide further diagnostics and determine if a hardware replacement is necessary, especially since T-Mobile extended warranties to 2 years on new devices due to power supply defects.